Hello, everybody.
Happy Monday.
Good morning. We want to open up the week by talking about the new Australian
Kuranya.
Kuranya. I had to look at her because I don't pronounce it that well. But this is the new blend that you will get in your holiday catalog.
Who like it or heart it if you
Right
ordered
now.
it in your the holiday catalog. So exciting, a new blend.
You know what? This is actually a very neat blend, and the name is because it means rainbow.
Rainbow in the Australian Aboriginal language,
Right.
which I love that.
I love
It's
that.
so neat.
I mean, I was at the restaurant on Saturday, and the chef said, if you eat a flower, you become a flower. So now I'm thinking, if you wear a rainbow, you become a rainbow.
I love that. And rainbow means coming together to make something more beautiful. Or this word, Kuranya,
Right.
means coming together to make something more beautiful than the sum of its parts.
I love that.
I feel like that's a motto for life. I
Yes.
love
So
that.
be a rainbow. You need Kuranya right now in your life until forever.
Yeah, until
Right?
forever.
So what's in it? Tell us.
Okay, so it contains lemon myrtle, kunzia, which is the single oil that came out at convention,
Right.
blue cypress, sandalwood, fennel, Australian ericafolia, eucalyptus radiata, which Australia is known
Yes.
for their vast amounts
Right.
of different eucalyptuses. Or eucalypti,
You
and
got it.
tea tree oil.
You know, we just applied it before doing the video, and it smells very fresh, very eucalyptusy.
Yes.
But you can feel the notes of tea tree, but it's not strong. It's super mild.
Mhm.
And I just like it a lot.
And I think I get the lemon myrtle.
I also feel
at the
that
beginning a
the
little
freshness
bit.
of the lemon. Okay, so something that you might be thinking about. Well, do I really want this oil if Gary did not formulate it? That is a very personal, choice. And coming that I was working in the R&D, I would walk in the lab and see Gary just making his blends. It is very, nostalgic to think, but this is the first product that has the D. Gary Young Research Institute label on it. So if you peel it off, should I peel
Yeah,
it
do
off?
it.
If you peel it off, you should see it's so cute. It's right here. So that's what that's their new emblem, yes. And so it is very it's something that the research and development team have decided to take on, because that tells you and everybody else that they're still committed to follow Gary's
Vision and
vision.
plan. And I love that what Kuranya means is almost perfect for this
Right.
first blend. It's coming together to make something more beautiful than the sum of
Yeah.
its parts, which I think is a definition for everyone in Young Living as
Yeah.
we move forward and
Yeah.
move on to this next
Exactly.
chapter. I just
So you want this oil, it's the same 100% therapeutic essential oils, and it's got the vision of Gary added on with all the love that everybody feels for him, and he's always going to be with us in
Yes.
every drop of oil. Right?
Totally.
So, okay,
All right.
benefits.
Okay, so the benefits are, so this is a wonderful essential oil to support your skin. It helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes,
Yes.
which is great around the holiday
Yes.
season. It conditions and moisturizes your skin and promotes healthy, glowing,
I
beautiful
love it.
skin. It includes the naturally occurring constituents of alpha-pinene, eucalyptol,
Yes.
what else? Beta-santinol.
Yep.
Draniol,
Menthol.
yeah, all those wonderful things.
Yes. Limonene from the lemon.
Yes, totally.
So,
Promotes a stimulating and rejuvenating atmosphere.
it's so stimulating.
And we were talking about different ways to use it, and I love to use it in my face lotion
Right.
in the evening and in the morning, and also this weekend we cleaned all weekend, and it would be the perfect essential oil to add to your household
Right.
cleaner, because
Right.
it's has all the benefits of tea tree and all of those cleansing type property
It boosts-
essential oils.
Boost the cleaning properties.
Yes.
So another way that I would use it is add it to my shampoo.
Oh,
It's very
yes.
conditioning and moisturizing.
That's a really great
and
idea.
so, or your hair oil, if you got the hair oil, you can add a few drops and just have more benefits.
Really, any of the Mira oils.
Yes.
Whether it's the shave oil or the cleansing oil.
Exactly.
Any of them.
And I would also apply it on the bottom of my feet before I go to bed, and then put some really thick cotton socks so that I can promote, cleansing
And obviously diffusing.
of course.
Obviously.
It smells so good that you want to diffuse it.
So if you got the personal mist diffuser in the holiday catalog, or you got those new car diffusers, it would be
amazing.
Especially if you have kids or pets that ride in your car, this would be the perfect essential oil to add to the
Yeah, seriously.
Right?
And I also love that if you're on the road, this is a good stimulating aroma.
Yeah, and so you don't have to pack for all like your face oils on the road, or your skin oils. This
or
is
your aroma,
this is a good
oil.
one that kind of covers it all.
Everything.
It's the one-stop shop.
We love it.
Yes. So, good day, mates.
I hope you have a good week.
Hopefully, we're not offending you, Australians.
No.
But good day.
We love you.
Bye. Thank you.